Hey guys, good morning. So today we're going to be talking about Janet, and we want to go over a little bit of a story of what's going on with Janet. And I think you're going to find that even though her name's Janet, it actually could be any one of you that are in this class at this time. So right now, Janet's going to be a teenager. She's under 18 years old, and she's made money by babysitting. She mows yards sometimes. She shovels driveways. She walks dogs. She's done all of this stuff where she basically has been paid under the table. So she hasn't really had to worry about taxes or having an account or anything like that. She just kind of kept all of her money in a little shoebox that she hid under her bed. So this summer, her parents have given her permission that she's able to get a real job. But when she starts to look around for a couple of the jobs that she might get, the companies are requiring her to have direct deposit of her paycheck. So she has to get a checking account so that the company can deposit the amount. Her mom and dad say that that's totally good. But when she starts to look around a little bit, she realizes that because she's a minor, under 18, that she's going to have to do something a little bit different and probably have her parents sign on as a co-signer. So right now we're going to take a look on this slide at 4 different options that she can take a look at and figure out which one you think is the best one for her.